Hello, tech wizards and kitchen gurus. I'm the Digital Witch, and today we're diving deeper into how ChatGPT can be your ultimate kitchen companion. If you've been following our series on leveraging ChatGPT for everyday tasks, you're going to love this practical, delicious twist. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. We've explored what ChatGPT is and how it can simplify tasks, but have you ever used it in the kitchen? From tweaking recipes to mastering culinary techniques, let's see how ChatGPT can make cooking as easy as pie. Grab your aprons and let's cook up some magic with AI. First up, let's talk recipe optimization. Ever start cooking and feel like your dish needs a little extra something? Just ask ChatGPT, how can I enhance the flavor of my chicken curry using pantry spices? And get ready to be amazed at the suggestions it cooks up. Moving on to substitution suggestions. There's nothing worse than missing an ingredient when you're halfway through a recipe. Don't worry, ChatGPT can help. Just ask, what's a good substitute for saffron in this paella recipe? And watch how easily ChatGPT saves your meal. Next is cooking technique clarification. Perfecting a technique can be the difference between good and great. Unsure about how to fold ingredients for a souffle? Ask ChatGPT, explain the best method to fold ingredients for a souffle, and master the art with precision. Now, let's explore nutritional guidance. Trying to eat healthier or modify a recipe for dietary needs? ChatGPT can help there too. Ask, how can I make this pasta dish lower in calories? And get tips to keep the flavor but cut the calories. Finally, we have meal planning. Planning meals can be tedious, especially for special diets or events. With ChatGPT, just input, plan a 3-course meal for a vegetarian dinner party, and you'll get a complete menu quick and stress-free. There's more. For our vegetarian and vegan viewers, transforming any dish into a plant-based delight is easy with ChatGPT. Just ask how to make a beef stew vegetarian or what substitutes work for eggs in a vegan cake. ChatGPT will provide the perfect substitutions to adjust your favorite recipes. Before we finish, here's a quick tip. Not sure what to cook? List what's in your fridge and ask ChatGPT for a custom recipe. It's like having your own personal chef. For example, enter eggs, spinach, and feta cheese, and you might get a suggestion for a delicious spinach and feta omelet. This smart approach helps you use what you have, reduce waste, and enjoy a tasty meal. Ready to elevate your culinary skills with these eye-powered tips? Try them out, and don't forget to experiment with making your favorite recipes vegetarian or vegan with ChatGPT's help. For more exciting AI kitchen adventures, make sure to like, subscribe, and activate the notification bell here at the Digital Witch.